So I'm standing next to a back road, and it just happens to be beside one of the very rare parcels of crown land here in southern Ontario. We had a pretty wicked storm a few days ago. We got lots of snow and even some lightning too, which is very, very rare. The plan is 2 nights. Tonight it's only supposed to get down to -5. Tomorrow night's supposed to be chillier, pushing -16, maybe even a little colder. Short walk today, just over 1 kilometer, and then tomorrow we've got 2 or 3K to the second spot. Hopefully have a good time. I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna try and cut some of these branches down to make some more room, and then I can kind of tuck my tarp in against these trees. That way the wind off the lake isn't too much. I should be able to make it work. Yeah, that could work. I actually do have quite a bit of firewood just from clearing out the branches over here. I do want to see if I can find some hardwood. It'll burn better, longer, and there will be less sparks that I have to worry about. Is it ever windy out tonight? I've tried to make a little bit of a wind block out of sticks there because the fire was just whipping around crazy in the wind. Tonight's definitely going to be a sleep with earplugs night. This is supposed to be olive oil. It's a little frozen. Probably way too much. It might still be a little watery, but that's alright, we'll give it a try. I almost forgot. I have some seasoning for it. Probably should have put this on when I was cooking it, but I forgot. Yeah, it's looking good now. Tortilla, not frozen. Perfect. Some filling. Some cheese. Roll it up. Alright. And I forgot some feta cheese. Voila. Black bean taquito. It's basically just a mix between a taco and a burrito. The seasoning that I almost forgot to put on it is pretty much just taco seasoning. Lemon and ginger tea. It's really still out right now. The wind has died down significantly. There's just a nice breeze now, which is quite enjoyable. Also, it's super clear again. It was pretty cloudy on the walk in here. Alright, I'm pretty much ready for bed. It's 10:30 now, so that was a pretty good day. The tea was great. Not gonna lie, half of my last taquito was a sacrifice to the fire gods. I couldn't finish it. It was just, it was way too much. Only thing left for me to do is change into some sleep clothes, and then I'm out for the night. So I'll catch you in the morning. Not gonna lie, I've had better sleeps than last night. Of course, I jinxed it last night by saying the wind had died down, because about an hour later it started up again. It's been pretty gusty all night, and so the tarp has been really loud. You may also notice that I've flipped the setup around because I woke up one point at night there and I was getting hit in the face with snow. And it's a good thing I did, because the corner of the tarp where my head was, I put the wood there and it's covered in snow. I probably could have stretched out the corners a little better. I think that's why there's so much bubbling happening. Temperature wise last night it was great, but weather wise not so much. Tying it to the tree branches was also probably not a great call. Because of the wind, I don't think I'm going to try and start a fire, because even last night I had to take the log off the fire because sparks were just being whipped around. So I think I'm just going to use my stove this morning. Coffee first? Sure, why not? That's just about boiling. I'll call that there. Not bad. And I timed it with my coffee, look at that. Breakfast was good. So I know the plan was to do 2 nights, but unfortunately, I think I'm going to have to bail on the second night. It's not a decision I'm making lightly, but I just checked the weather, and there's a weather advisory for tonight, and the wind is only supposed to get worse. It's supposed to be going down to -16, and I know I did -16 last time, but -16 with this wind, I just don't think it's something I'm going to be comfortable with. So I think I'm just going to pack up and head out a little early. Just because I'm heading out early though doesn't mean that I didn't have a good time. Dinner was good last night, the fire was nice when it wasn't being blown in my face. The breakfast was really good this morning. I had my coffee and my English muffins there. Last night's sleep could have been a little better, but again, that's just me. I was a little nervous with the wind and the way the tarp was moving around. So like I said, I don't think I want to go through that again tonight. And as much as I was looking forward to doing a 2-nighter, it's pretty disappointing, but it's just not a situation I'm comfortable putting myself in right now. So with that in mind, I think I'm just going to call it here. I'm going to pack up, head out early, and hopefully get a better night's sleep tonight. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.